Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Java. So this is a series or the playlist which is giving you the introduction about Java programming language. So in this particular playlist, we'll be discussing about the basics of Java. Actually, this will make a foundation layer when we start programming in Java. So here we'll discuss about how was Java developed, who developed Java, what are the technologies, what are the basic design that we follow in writing the code of Java, what are the APIs that Java provide us in our program, and so forth. So if we directly look at the perspective of question answers or interviews or examination, this won't be much helpful, but it will surely help you to make the good foundation and understand the use of Java in day-to-day life. You'll also feel that why we are not using other languages, why Java is more versatile, more robust than other programming languages. So we'll get hang of all this so that when we start deep into the programming of Java and writing codes, discussing about the frameworks, collection classes, and so on and so forth, we'll have a very good foundation level. And whenever we write something, we'll be able to correlate. Okay, this was this thing we discussed in the basic playlist, and now we are able to correlate. We are writing this particular thing. So this is the main objective of this particular playlist. So in this particular course, we'll be discussing about the Java origin and the ecosystem. We'll also talk about the Java language. So what is Java, like how the Java language has developed. Also, what are the things that Java language use. We'll also describe the Java design mindset. So these two would include your OOPS concepts. So what are the OOPS concepts? Also, it will also we'll also talk about the Java platform independence. So Java platform independence. Okay. So these two we'll discuss in detail and how is Java platform independence. So if you just read this particular platform independence, it means that it can be run on any platform. So there is like when you compile the code, you have written a code, right? And when you have written the code, you compile this code. And when you compile this code, this gets converted into another form of a code. And this particular code, which is there, this is known as the intermediate code. So intermediate code, so this intermediate code can run on any device. Okay, therefore it is Java is platform independence. We'll talk about this in later part of this playlist. So this is what we'll be covering here. Then we'll be describing on the common Java API. So we have different APIs. So what are APIs actually? So if we talk in a very easy sense, we can understand that let's suppose you write some code right in Java, and then there are few codes which has been previously developed by some of the programmers, some of the Java programmers, and you directly take those codes and add it to your program. So let's say these are the code which have been developed by the Java programmers, and you are actually writing this particular code in Java. So you take these code, you put this code in your code, and then you run a program. So let's say you want to add certain features on a web page. Okay, so when you're writing something on the web page, so you have written a code. Okay, these are the elements that will be popping up on the web page. But how your program will be running on the web page? You have to again write all these things, right? But Java provide APIs such that you can directly add those APIs in your own code, so that it will be very easy for you to just put your code to the web page. So this is what is the sense of APIs. So there are different APIs that we'll be studying in Java. And then we'll be explaining that how Java is used in the enterprises. So there are big companies, there are industries and so on. So how Java is also used in those particular enterprises. So actually Java is really very versatile. We have smart card, we have set-top box, we have normal programming languages like Java SE, we say, and then we use in enterprise, we use in web applications. So there are tremendous benefits of one programming language, that is Java, and hence Java is very versatile in nature. So we'll see all this in this playlist. So stay tuned and let's enjoy. Hope the enthusiasm that I have for Java is contagious to you, and you also start feeling the same for Java. Hope to see you in the future videos. Thank you.